Exciting new feature news. We have Stripe. And some of you might be asking, what is Stripe? And that's a good question. It's our new super simple, easy, user-friendly way of processing credit cards in your ServiceMonster 6 system. So, stick with me for this training video, because I'm pretty sure you're going to love this. Follow me to Marketplace in the Navigator, and then click on ServiceMonster Payments. Click on the sub-tab Configuration, and the green button, Set up your payments account. This will direct you to a page where you can set up a Stripe account. You won't have to do this again once it's set up the first time. Once you're through, Stripe will automatically integrate with your payments in ServiceMonster 6. This is what it would look like if you're integrated with Stripe. Say you're taking a credit card payment from a customer. As normal, you would select New Payment from the order page, fill out all the information, and then Run Credit Card. Plug in the customer's information, and Run Charge. Yes. Once it's run, you can check to make sure the payment went through under the sub-tab Payments, there it is, or by selecting Orders again in the dashboard, Payments, and Dashboard. This is a button that appears only if you're signed up and integrated with Stripe. And there you go. And ladies and gentlemen, it's as simple as that. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.